So we have power. We have our voltage going down to the element, 240 volts. That means the board is working. Everything is working except for the element 1.
Alright, so I wanted to share this. By the way, this is an excellent little blower, and it works great in getting your dryer blown out. It is so much better than big vacuum. Very powerful, and it's perfect for getting the blower especially, and the element housing. Anyways, what I'm sharing today is I was there on the call. Problem, dryer was not heating. I'm not going to show how to do the element because the point of this video is to let you know that when your dryer is not heating, go ahead and open it up. Some guys, or you might hear people say, oh, you can service your dryer from the back. Nonsense. Take the front off, enter your dryer, vacuum your dryer, and check every component. The idea is the customer is complaining also about the dryer. Sometimes it would make a hum. So after I took the machine apart and was replacing the element, I noticed that the idler pulley was totally stuck. You can see it right now. I'm changing it, and this is really what this video is about, to show you that it is so important to check everything once you open up your dryer. Now, the new idler is way better, and you can see how it was cut. So that cut was causing the belt to get bind up, and the drum would not turn. And eventually that could cause your motor to burn out. So open up your dryer, check everything, check the belt, check the rollers, all those things you check when you have to open and service your dryer. Vacuum it out, blow it out. All right. Now, I'm putting on the idler, and there's a certain thing you have to make sure you do, because the other one, there's a difference in the screws. So make sure that when you tighten the screw, you get the hole has to be lined up. If not, your idler will not pivot. So if you notice that it's not pivoting, loosen the screw and get it to pivot. It has to pivot smoothly. All right? Pay attention to those things and you will not have a problem. I do apologize. I did not show the after of how smooth the dryer was working. It was nice and quiet, way quieter than it was. All right?
Yeah, I hear you.
They love it. Oh my God, they dance when the bowls come around the corner.
Right.
Alright, so right now we're checking to make sure that everything is in good order. You can see the element has continuity. Now, when you change the element from aftermarket, if you don't have, we're checking grounding. Now, make sure if you're using aftermarket parts, go ahead and keep your factory thermostats and high limit. Those are way better than the cheaper aftermarket. So keep that in mind, and you should be fine. All right? Thanks for watching.